how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, the same thing. So just follow the steps. So go to Google, type VirtualBox, go to the first result, and this is the official website of VirtualBox. It's virtualbox.org. So click on download here, and here there is the version for Windows and Mac and Linux, etc. Okay, so for me, I want download it for Windows. I click Windows hosts, and as you can see here, the download is started. Okay, so this is how you can download VirtualBox in Windows 11 and also in Windows 10 or any version. Okay, so the installer is installing. So right click, choose run as administrator, choose yes. Okay, right now choose here. This is the installer of the VirtualBox. So click next, choose I accept the terms of use, click next, next. Okay, and click yes, yes. Okay, check. Oh, so this is already checked, so click yes and click install. So just wait until the VirtualBox installer install um, the files. Okay, so as you can see here, it's finished. So I click finish. And as you can see here, the VirtualBox is start working. So if you want more tutorials about VirtualBox, you can go to this card and you will find many tutorials. I will do it soon. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.